Do you know that 1 in 3 people will develop cancer in their lifetime? What many people don't realize is that millions of cancer cases are diagnosed too late every year because early warning signs were missed. According to the American Cancer Society, catching cancer in stage 1 can mean survival rates above 90% for many common cancers. But waiting until stage 4? That number can drop below 20%. In this guide, I'm going to share 8 subtle warning signs that could save your life. These aren't the obvious symptoms everyone knows about. They're the quiet signals your body sends before things become serious. Most people completely overlook them, but they could be the key to early detection. Now, I know what you're thinking. Every little ache and pain can't be cancer. That's why this is different. We're focusing on scientifically backed warning signs, not internet rumors. These signs have helped thousands of people catch cancer early, when treatment is most effective. Stay tuned, because this isn't about creating a health scare, it's about empowering you with knowledge that could make all the difference. For those interested, I've also created 2 in-depth videos that you might want to explore later. Let's dive in. 1. Persistent bone pain. One of the most overlooked symptoms is persistent bone pain. Unlike discomfort from exercise or minor injuries, cancer-related bone pain typically intensifies over time and often worsens at night. When cancer originates in or spreads to the bones, it disrupts the tissue, causing a deep, penetrating ache that's hard to ignore. Primary bone cancer, known as osteosarcoma, often affects the long bones in the arms and legs. The pain may initially feel like a sprain or muscle ache but gradually becomes more severe and constant. Some describe it as a throbbing sensation that doesn't respond to typical pain relievers. If bone pain is accompanied by swelling, tenderness, or unexplained fractures, seek medical attention promptly. Early detection significantly improves treatment outcomes. 2. Eye pain or changes. Your eyes can reveal a lot about your health, including potential signs of cancer. Ocular melanoma, though rare, is the most common primary eye cancer in adults. Symptoms might start subtly, but they can progress to more noticeable changes. Blurred vision that doesn't improve with glasses. Flashes of light unrelated to migraines. A dark spot on the iris that grows or changes. If you have light-colored eyes or fair skin, your risk of ocular melanoma is higher. Regular eye exams, especially if you have risk factors like prolonged sun exposure or a family history, are crucial. 3. Skin rash or spots. Certain rashes can signal something more serious. Leukemia, a cancer of blood-forming tissues, can cause skin symptoms often mistaken for minor conditions. Look for tiny red or purple spots called petechiae eye that don't fade when pressed. Rashes that persist or are accompanied by unexplained bruising. Leukemia disrupts platelet production, which prevents proper blood clotting. This can cause capillaries to leak, creating these distinctive spots. If you notice persistent rashes or skin changes, consult a doctor. 4. Dark streaks on fingernails. A dark streak under the nail, called melanonychia striata, could be a sign of subungual melanoma. This form of skin cancer often starts as a vertical line on the nail that widens or changes color over time. Key warning signs. A streak wider than 3 millimeters. Pigment that extends onto the surrounding skin, known as Hutchinson's sign. Nail pain or splitting. If you notice these changes, don't dismiss them as nail trauma. Get them checked. 5. Unexplained night sweats. While occasional night sweats are normal, persistent episodes that drench your bedding might indicate lymphoma. These night sweats are often accompanied by unexplained fever. Sudden weight loss. Cancer-related night sweats occur because your body is fighting cancer cells, releasing inflammatory chemicals that disrupt temperature regulation. If this happens repeatedly without explanation, consult a doctor. 6. Chronic heartburn. Persistent heartburn, also called GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, can be more than an inconvenience. It might signal esophageal cancer, especially if accompanied by difficulty swallowing, food getting stuck in your throat, unexplained weight loss. Over time, acid reflux can damage the esophageal lining, leading to a condition called Barrett's esophagus, a precursor to esophageal cancer. If heartburn persists despite medication, seek medical advice. 7. Sudden jaundice. Yellowing of the skin and eyes, or jaundice, occurs when bilirubin builds up in the body. In adults, this could be a sign of pancreatic or liver cancer. Tumors can block bile ducts, causing dark urine, pale stools, upper abdominal pain. Because the pancreas is located deep in the abdomen, early detection of pancreatic cancer is challenging. Recognizing jaundice early can save lives. 8. Persistent or recurring fever. A fever that keeps coming back without explanation might signal blood cancers like leukemia or lymphoma. These fevers often occur with other symptoms like night sweats, unexplained weight loss. Cancer-related fevers can be cyclical, spiking at regular intervals. If a fever persists for more than 2 weeks without clear cause, consult your doctor. Key takeaway. These symptoms don't always mean you have cancer, but they deserve attention. Early detection dramatically improves treatment outcomes, so don't ignore the warning signs your body gives you. If you found this information valuable, give this post a thumbs up and share it to help others. For more life-saving tips, check out our other videos. Together, we can spread awareness and empower people to take control of their health.